pink salt trick. With apple cider vinegar or without? Does it work? They say 1 glass, just warm water, pink salt, lemon, and apple cider vinegar, can detox your body and melt belly fat overnight. But is that true, or is this just another TikTok lie dressed up as wellness advice? Because today, we're testing the viral pink salt trick, one version with apple cider vinegar and one without. And trust me, the results shocked me. Here's what almost no one tells you. That miracle pink salt drink might actually be doing the opposite of what you think. Everywhere online, someone's chugging this cloudy mix saying it boosts metabolism, clears toxins, even gives glowing skin. But here's the truth. Nobody explains what happens inside your body when you drink it. So, let's find out. Is it a powerful cleanse or just expensive salty water? The hype versus reality. Trends like this go viral because they sound too easy. A pinch of salt, a splash of lemon, a spoon of vinegar. Boom, instant detox. If that were true, we'd all have flat stomachs by now. Quick question, have you ever tried this pink salt trick? Drop a water drop in the comments if yes. But before I tell you what happens inside your gut, hit that like button. It tells YouTube to push real facts over fake miracle hacks. Breaking down the recipe. Here's the usual mix. 8 ounces of warm water, 1/4 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and maybe, just maybe, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Now, pink Himalayan salt sounds luxurious, right? But it's basically just salt, with trace minerals like magnesium and potassium. Yes, those minerals help with hydration, but drinking salt water daily? Bad move. Too much can raise blood pressure and cause bloating. Then lemon juice. Awesome for flavor and vitamin C. But here's a cliffhanger for you. That detox people claim lemon causes? Total myth. Your liver and kidneys already do that every second of every day. Now, let's talk about the hero. Apple cider vinegar. People call it liquid gold for fat loss and digestion. But science doesn't fully agree. A 2024 study claimed vinegar helped people lose weight. But guess what? It was retracted. The data was wrong. So what's really going on, and why no one's talking about it might surprise you. Some people swear they feel lighter or less hungry after drinking it. That's not magic, it's biology. Vinegar slows down how fast your stomach empties, so you feel full longer. That's the fat-burning illusion. It's not melting fat, it's just making you eat less. And that whole detox part doesn't exist. No drink can detox your body. Not vinegar, not pink salt, not even celery juice. Your body's already doing that for you, if you let it. The hidden side effects. And this is where it goes from harmless to dangerous. If you drink this daily, here's what you're really signing up for. Too much salt equals bloating and dehydration. Too much vinegar equals tooth enamel damage, stomach irritation, and acid reflux. And if you've got blood pressure or gut issues, it's even riskier. The truth nobody tells you. The pink salt trick only works if it gets you to drink more water. That's it. The water is doing the work, not the salt, not the vinegar. Hydration alone helps your digestion, reduces cravings, and boosts energy naturally. So, pink salt with apple cider vinegar or without? Honestly, neither version is a miracle. If you like it, enjoy it once in a while. But if you're drinking it to burn fat, you're being misled. Your body already knows how to heal. You just need to support it, not shock it. If you found this breakdown eye-opening, subscribe. I drop videos that bust fake health hacks every week, and don't miss my next video. Number 1 morning trick to burn belly. Fat fast works like magic. That one's backed by science, and it's way simpler than you think. Remember this? Your body doesn't need potions. It needs patience, balance, and consistency.